This is a little bike I had laying around waiting for my baby boy to use, but instead I will make a mini motorbike out of it. I do this using a 80cc motor bicycle kit I found on the interwebs. It's around $100 and it's quite cheap for what you get. Let's do a quick unboxing. So yeah, those are all the parts we'll put in this little bike here. Hopefully we can ride it around soon. Oh no, what did I do? Joke lang, let's start. That's it, finish. That all went smooth. Of course, we still have to do some things, like give it a paint job, and what about the brakes? Please let me know in the comments, maybe for a next video. But first of all, let's give it a try. Add some fuel and just see if it's alright.
Oh, my little boy is still too small, so I have to test it myself. Oh yes, please like and subscribe.